Yo, what's happening? What's happening? It's your boy Ground Reaper, you know what I'm saying? I'm back in the building, you know what I'm saying? Big business. Big business. But check me out, man. You know, I wanna commend YNW Melly Lawyer, you know what I'm saying? That's a good little chess move that they did right there on their part. Cause I don't know if y'all niggas know, a lot of niggas ain't been in certain situations, so they don't know how that law shit go. Or how that courtroom shit go when it's like the lawyer versus the prosecutor and shit like that. Them boy be playing chess, sometimes they don't lay out their hands and shit like that. So, sometimes you do have to do a speedy trial to get certain discoveries, certain witnesses, certain elements, you know what I'm saying, to build your defense on the case. You get what I'm saying? So like they might have a credible witness that they just holding as they trump card. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So sometimes they don't come all out and say certain shit, but when you right about to go to trial, they got to put majority of everything on the table. You know what I'm saying? So YNW them Melly side, that was a good thing that they was able to see all those evidence could have stacked against them. Cause when the state get to hollering about forensics and DNA and even though they been with talking about the GPS shit, and that shit is fascinating because dog, a lot of niggas don't read up on shit, dog. A lot of niggas just crash out. They go out there do crimes, don't know the penalty or severity of the crimes that they doing. They don't know that this crime is this many years. They don't know the statute of limitation on certain crimes. So that's why niggas just be crashing out, you feel me? They jump out there in that water, do that crime, and then they ask a old head or another nigga that probably have a similar crime, like, yo, man, I'm facing this and that. What you think them crack gonna give me? Man, if you a career criminal, my nigga, you supposed to be in that law work. It's shit free. You know what I'm saying? They print it out for you. The courthouse right there where your ass booked that, you feel me? You supposed to read up on shit, you feel me? When I locked down, dog, I was reading up on shit that had shit to do with my case, dog. You know what I'm saying? I'm reading up on racketeering and all type of shit. I might be in jail on some humbug shit, you feel me? But if I'm gonna sit in that motherfucker, I might as well learn from the gangsters, you heard me? And ain't nothing more gangster than the motherfucking government. So at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? I say, bitch, I'm coming out here and paying lawyer fees. I might come out here on my dick. I might have to do a crime again. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Just to level up because, bitch, y'all gonna look at you crazy anyway. So at the end of the day, it's all about being smart, nigga, and playing for keeps. A lot of these niggas don't know that. A lot of niggas too dumb to even know that. You feel me? They want to go in jail. They want to play. The crackers already playing with their life, but they playing with their life. You feel me? They don't want to know nothing. You can't tell them nothing. You know what I'm saying? Nigga just crash dummy, ready to crash shot. You feel me? That's why they end up joining the gang and doing all this dumbass shit. You feel me? They ain't bringing no stability to the gang. They ain't bringing no knowledge. You feel me? Nothing. Nigga just crash dummies, man. So you want to crash out? Come on, come over here. We'll let you crash out, nigga. You feel me? But yeah, man. Back to what I was saying though, like that paperwork and shit like that, though. When it comes to that legal shit, bro, that shit is real effective, dog. When your lawyer do that when they do that motion for speedy trial and shit, that's guaranteed to you to go to trial by the judge and shit like that on certain bases and shit like that. You feel me? 3 years, that's a fair time because they give the state time to assess the case and do what they had to do. But when they was talking about the shit about the GPS and how fast the car was going on the highway and everything, bro, like the positioning of everything, how they were tracking the nigga, the Snapchat, how they got the Snapchat to hand over certain shit, videos and shit on the phone. That's from what that's from, I guess, what was online and shit like that. You feel me? But yeah, man, that shit up. that shit that was crazy, dog. You feel me? Cause I ain't want to know that, dog. That nigga case brought enlightenment to a nigga. You feel me? Cause I ain't know them niggas can tell how fast a motherfucker going and all that, dog. You feel me? I knew they probably could map out the location and you make a call and shit, but boy, I don't know if they was on that nigga ass off the rip or whatever. But boy, they turned over. Man, shit, don't be trusting these phone, boy. That's all I got to tell you, boy. And then I ain't want to like be no lawyer and shit on the nigga K, but dog, them crackers different, dog. Them crackers went to the location and nigga told them and said that they were looking for glass fragments. You feel me? Cause you know when a nigga get a get a busting at a nigga ass, you know some shit gonna beat up, bro. Glass shattering, it gonna beat up. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you drive to the hospital. Nah, come on, man. Like common sense, bro. You drive to, I can see it you're not saying that them niggas did it or whoever did it or whatever, but bro, if you tell them crackers, yeah, man, this shit happened right here at such and such a street, and they go there and you don't see nothing resemble a crime scene, dog. You fucked up, dog. Like, come on, cuz, like, just common sense ass shit, dog. We gonna keep it all the way gangster, but at the same time, we gonna have some common sense though, dog. So them crackers go there, you don't see no glass fragment, nothing. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? When you pull up for a drive-by and you get a busting anyway, it depends. If you aiming out the window, you know, the shells might jump back in the car. You heard me? Cause but if you got your hand extended all the way out the window and you leaning, that shit, the shell casing gonna end up on the floor. You feel me? Or they gonna end up on the top of the roof. It depends how you shooting that motherfucker. You heard me? So they ain't find no shell casing on the floor where it's so-called supposed to happen at, but they found motherfucking shell casing in the back of the car, I guess. You heard me? So come on, man, put two and two together. And they saying that the location that the nigga gave them was no glass, no shell casing, nothing that's symbolizes a crime scene. You feel me? So them crackers tracked the nigga phone again and seen when the nigga stopped at, and they said they found whoop de whoop whoop de whoop. You know what I'm saying? And then they found the shell cases in the car. So you know what I'm saying, like that though, bro. Like, come on, man, like. You know what I'm saying? So the lawyer got a lot to work with, you hear me? That lawyer got to get paid, you hear me? So the lawyer got a lot to work with, dog. And the lawyer got a whole lot to work with. So when the lawyer did the speedy trial, it could have been a bluff, you feel me? Just to see what he had stacked against him and shit, against his you know, client. So, you know, when they seen that 66-page indictment, I'm cracking like, I mean, that 66 pages of evidence against him or whatever like that, though. Cracker like, nah, buddy. Nah, we gotta reroute. We gotta map this shit out, boy. This shit here looking crucial. You know what I'm saying? So the lawyer had to go back to the drawing board now, you feel me? And the death penalty still on the table. Now, dog, I ain't gonna lie. Like, the nigga manager was saying, man, that nigga said some crazy shit, foo-foo ass shit. Or they give you death penalty for anything. Number one, nah, man. Not every case niggas get the death penalty, dog. Down here in Broward County and Dade County. Man, come on, man. Especially in Dade County, man. Nigga beat a murder quick like a motherfucker in Dade County, you feel me? And Broward, they gonna hold you. And Broward, this is the plantation. This slavery down here, man. Niggas don't try to fight their cases down here. These niggas here cop out type shit. These niggas cop out of anything, nigga. Man, these niggas cop out not even on camera, bro. Cases the nigga can beat nigga cop out. Them niggas here, man. Some of these niggas here built different, dog. You feel me? They some of these niggas, they stand on their shit in the streets, but when they get in that courthouse, bro, most of them niggas ain't standing on shit, dog. You know what I'm saying? Like, we used to say this shit, dog. Like, we had some gangsters in that motherfucker now, don't get me wrong. You know what I'm saying? We got some gangsters in Broward and wherever, you feel me? But in Dade, them niggas gonna sit, man. Them boys gonna sit. They gonna fight they shit to man, them niggas might be guilty. They gonna fight they shit to the end, dog. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Real talk, though, man. But I was saying, though, like, they had a nigga in there, man. We, you know, politicking and shit. Ops and all, we politic sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But they were like, man, listen, man. You cracker got shit backed up, you feel me? Too many cases on file, you feel me? If every nigga in that bitch, you feel me, or half of niggas in that bitch go to trial right now and put a motion for speedy trial right now, them crackers start throwing out cases, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause them crackers ain't gonna risk losing that money. You feel me? But man, nigga, these niggas help, man. They sacrifice their own mama. They'll sacrifice they self, dog. These niggas don't give a fuck, dog. You feel me? Some of these niggas head first, crash dummies. You feel me? Like I said. But on the lawyer aspect of certain things, dog, the lawyer, dog, that was a good move. You feel me? Cause at the end of the day, dog, some lawyers don't give a fuck. They take your money and fuck you over. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to strategizing and playing chess, dog, in that courtroom, that was a good play. They put in a speedy trial to see what was against his client. You feel me? Now he can go back to the drawing board and map out some shit and try to, finagle some shit. But a lot of shit about that case, man, like, you feel me? YNW Melly co-defendant Bortlen, he out, you feel me? And that's a good sign, you feel me, that maybe not, something might work out in their favor. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of niggas that had codees that, man, they ain't letting you out type shit. And some of them do let niggas out, you feel me? But it depends though. You feel me? If you was like actually right there when a crime, or you was like a driver that dropped a nigga off and the nigga did the shit and then came back in the car after he did the shit. So, sometimes, man, different shit work for different folks, man. Different strokes for different folks. But it's a good thing that boy out there, and you feel me? He can probably hold his partner down, do music, whatever like that. Woo, send him something, and keep mobbing for his nigga. You feel me? I always salute that, dog. Cause you never know the situation. Them niggas, you feel me, might be innocent like a motherfucker and just got the cards stacked against them. You feel me? I never say a nigga all the way down bad, guilty type shit. You feel me? I ain't the police. I ain't my job to do the police job. But as a street nigga, I'm gonna bring you real shit, because at the end of the day, some niggas be listening to you niggas and they'll jump out there head first, crash out, thinking that they got lawyer money like these niggas, and they situation gonna be like these niggas. Nah, dog, you ain't got no label behind you. You ain't worth millions of dollars, nigga. You ain't an asset, nigga, to nothing, nigga. So this shit ain't gonna work out in your favor like that, man. Your homie gonna backdoor you, and the crackers gonna railroad you. And that's how that shit gonna play out, nigga. You feel me? You a sacrificial lamb out here, nigga. You feel me? Get your mind right. But, man, like I was saying, though, dog, that lawyer working, he doing his thing, man. At the end of the day, nigga was better off fighting that shit in Dade or something, man. And Dade more lenient when it comes to murders and shit like that, though. You heard me? You feel me? They more like backlog on that shit right there. It's too much murder, just like Jacksonville. You feel me? That shit backlog. But nowadays, these crackers ain't playing, man. You feel me? They trying to make the headlines too. You know what I'm saying? They trying to get bonuses too, man. Them crackers trying to look good in front of the news cameras and all, man. You feel me? So yeah, dog, this shit they're crucial out here right now. You feel me? Like in Broward, dog, like. That's why I say, like, the nigga Bortlen got out, but I know, like, money talks like a motherfucker. But I know in Broward, man, this shit here treacherous, man. A nigga can, I don't know certain states how this shit go, but a nigga can be like, man, fuck that pussy nigga, man. I can't get to him. You feel me? I wanna bust his top. You feel me? Niggas play police games, you feel me? They do that shit in jail and all type of shit, man. Niggas will finesse you. Niggas will work with the police to finesse you, type to fuck you over type shit, man. Get you out the way. Oh, yeah, you that nigga? Man, fuck it, man. I'm gonna work with the police to get this nigga ass up out of here, you feel me, type shit. So, on the streets, niggas do that too, you feel me? And that shit relevant to the Bortlen situation, cause in a way, they let that boy out, you feel me? Knowing that this is a real, like, feel me, real case going on. And I know niggas that niggas don't call the police on the nigga, you feel me, get the nigga off the streets. Be like, yo, man, this nigga gonna pull a gun out on me. Knowing damn well nigga ain't gonna pull no goddamn gun on your ass. And the nigga end up getting locked up. Now, when a motherfucker say that you pulled a gun out, robbed him or whatever, that's a no bond. That means your ass gonna sit in jail for a whole year on just an accusation, dog. Them cracking won't find no gun on you type shit, dog. Your ass gonna sit, homie. You know what I'm saying? When the nigga say you pulled a gun out on him, you robbed them or anything, robbed them with it, even without a gun, that's a no bond, dog. No victim contact, pre-trial, monitor, lockdown. 23 hours, whatever, 24 hours, bitch, stay in your house for a whole year type shit. And most niggas cop out to certain shit like that because, you feel me, at the end of the day, them nigga don't got no lawyer money, and it's your word versus another nigga, dog. And you feel me? Come on, man. When you go on the trial, bro, them jurors don't look like a nigga. Them jurors, man, you might get lucky. You feel me? Them jurors don't look like a nigga, man. And then the government always win because you don't know who the fuck them jurors they be picking and shit. You know what I'm saying? They might pick a old lady from motherfucking from Bubblefuck, West Bubblefuck, you feel me? That don't like niggas. And the government might know that because they done did their research on that bitch before they even put the bitch in the jury booth. So, you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, dog, they got all the sense, dog, and niggas ain't using theirs. So, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what the purpose of you know, that move, you feel me? But it's a blessing in a way because, like I said, Bortlen out and he can make some plays for his dog. He supposed to really be doing videos and shit, promoting the brand, and you know what I'm saying? Like, man, them boys need to do their thing, dog, and you know what I'm saying? Hopefully he beat that motherfucking case. They beat that case and everything work out in their favor, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I don't wish jail on now, nigga, not even my ops. But sometimes niggas go in there and, you know, you go in there, you get your mind right, you feel me? You see what this shit really about, you hear me? But on that note, dog, I'm done with this shit right here, man. It's Grim Reaper, nigga, big business, nigga. I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all decipher this shit. I understand what the fucking nigga was saying. I ain't doing this shit for no motherfucking clout. I'm tired of niggas talking about certain shit that they never, like, experienced or been around, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, we live this shit out here, you feel me, on a day-to-day. You know what I'm saying? So, at the end of the day, dog, it's like, nigga giving you that uncut shit, you feel me? Not no police ass shit, you know what I'm saying? Say the nigga guilty, oh, da-da-da, nah, man. I'm giving you the facts. I'm bringing you what them crackers saying. I'm bringing you an outline of what the lawyer probably doing, you feel me? That's all it is, you feel me? But at the end of the day, it is what it is, man. Big business, Grim Reaper. Holla at your boy, man. Holla at me through the email, whatever, man. You know what I'm saying? Share, subscribe. You know what time it is. Yo, big business.